안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 Nirupama입니다. Hello everyone, welcome to Girl with Dreams YouTube channel. I am Nirupama. In this video, I want to express the joy and excitement of being a K-pop fan or BTS ARMY is like. So, the small things related to BTS, K-pop, K-drama or Korea gives us excitement. Small things related to BTS, K-pop, K-drama is like finding the Korean products in local region or finding the K-pop idols used products in local region or hearing a dialogue of K-drama or hearing the K-pop song in their local region or a local news or local TV channels. These things gives us very much of excitement. So the very recent thing what happened was I found the news of BTS on Hindi paper and as well as English newspaper. So I was very happy. And the another thing was the 9th or 10th standard CBSE paper had a question on BTS. I don't know was it real or fake, but I found that on internet and I was like happy, okay, these things are coming on school question paper. And I was also like it was curious and also I was like doubting was it true or fake, but it's okay, I was happy. And the another thing was in Crorepati, Amitabh Bachchan asked the participant the question on BTS. It was very like wow, the BTS things are going on like in India is so crazier, and was very happy. But I think she was not able to answer that. The participant was not able to answer that. I have saved the clip. I don't know if I will be able to find it or not. And the very most recent thing what happened was all know that Natu Natu song was given the Oscar award. So the Korean embassy in India made a reel on this song and they posted on their Twitter and also on Instagram. And Narendra Modi retweeted this and he wished them. And I was very happy to know this. Also, this thing was on the news on a very local channel. And I was very happy that people will be seeing me talking about Korea, BTS. So when they see these things, they get more closer to Korea and Korean things. So I was very happy that they'll be able to understand what I'm trying to say or express. So these things give me joy and excitement. I also have a clip of recording the news show, and I was very much happy and I was like screaming and laughing behind the TV or behind my phone, but nobody was able to record me, but that's okay.
ಅಷ್ಟೇಲ್ಲ ಈ ನಾಟು ನಾಟು ಹಾಡಿಗೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕೊರಿಯಾ ಜನ ಕೂಡ ಮರುಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕೊರಿಯನ್ ಎಂಬಸಿ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ನಾಟು ನಾಟು ಹಾಡಿಗೆ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನ ಭಾರತದ ಕೊರಿಯಾ ರಾಯಭಾರ ಕಚೇರಿ ತನ್ನ ಅಧಿಕೃತ ಟ್ವಿಟರ್ ಖಾತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ರೀಟ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾಟು ನಾಟು ಕ್ರೇಜ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿಯ ತ್ರಿಬಲ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ನಾಟು ನಾಟು ಹಾಡು ಇದೀಗ ಆಸ್ಕರ್ ಅಂಕಣದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಆಸ್ಕರ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
You can understand my excitement from listening the background sound of me enjoying and laughing. So you might be thinking, why am I talking so much about joy or excitement today, right? It's because I wanted to teach you or let you know information about the word hung. In Korea, there is a word hung, which means joy, excitement, and high spirit. So basically, I explained you about the word without telling you the word. So you guys understood the meaning. So now let me tell you the word. That is yes, it's hung. I already said. So today you got to learn one word which means excitement or joy or high spirit. That is hung. Okay. So yes, happy learning. So yeah, you will be learning more and more in coming videos. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, please do subscribe to my channel and comment your thoughts. Thank you. Annyeong.